I thought it was just worth doing one more quick screencast on the language of the poetry, because what we haven't talked about yet is the rhyme. It's quite an interesting rhyme. It's really, you don't really notice it, and I think this is why this is such a clever poem, because look at the end of every single word. It's actually the same rhyme at the end of every word. Order, wander, yonder, rather, corner, father, cover, brother, caper, her, motor, shocker, clover, longer, shoulder, number, jumper, older, picture, over, cooker, larder, winter, wonder. Every single one ends in And it's only when you read the poem a few times that you realise that Armitage has rhymed every single A all the way down. But as I've said before, please, please, please don't in an exam, I implore you in an exam, not to just say every other line rhymes and then move on, because you may as well not bother. In fact, it can really irritate an examiner, and it irritates me as well, because I can see that. A trained monkey could see that the end of each line rhymes. What you need to do is ask yourself why. Why does Armitage do it? And have a go, have a stab. You might be right. I think for me, it has that kind of slightly whiny tone to it. Order, wander, yonder, rather, corner. You've got that at the end of every line. And it kind of makes the poem sound for me a little bit kind of whiny. That Robin's sort of whining a bit. That on the surface it seems like he's moved on. But maybe under the surface he hasn't. The other thing is it makes it a little bit comical. The number, jumper, older, picture, over, cooker, larder, winter, wonder, that there's something slightly comical about it as well. But I think it's just that sort of sound at the end just makes it sound, when you repeat it, gave the order to grow up, then let me used to wander to leeward. There's just something slightly whiny about it. I might be wrong, that's my interpretation. You might have a better one than me.